Good morning, Swan. Now today we are going to study about the transmission of impulses. Okay, before it we have studied about the junction and conduction of the nerve impulses. Okay, then how they transmit impulses transmit. Then a nerve impulse is transmitted from one neuron to the another through a junction called synapse. Okay, it means we can say that what is the synapse? A nerve impulse is transmitted from one neuron to the another through a junction, and this junction is known as synapse. And synapse is formed by the membrane of a presynaptic neuron and postsynaptic neuron. Okay, presynaptic and pro presynaptic and postsynaptic membrane form the synapse. Okay, and which may or may not be separated by a gap called a synaptic cleft. There is a gap between them, and this is known as synaptic cleft. Okay, and there are two types of synapses, namely electrical synapse and chemical synapse. Two type के क्या होंगे? Synapse होंगे, electrical and chemical synapse. Okay, that is electrical and chemical synapses. Two types of synapses are there. Okay, and at electrical synapses, the membrane of pre and postsynaptic neuron are in very close. Okay, in the electrical synapse, they are very close. Membrane जो होती है pre and post synaptic neuron की वो बहुत close होती है, and electric current can flow directly from one neuron into the other across this synapse. Okay, and transmission of an impulse across electrical synapse is very similar to impulse conduction along a single axon. Okay, and impulse transmission across an electrical synapse is always faster than that across of a chemical synapse. And electrical synapse are rare in our system, but it is rare in our system. Get it? Okay, and at a chemical synapse, the membrane of the pre and postsynaptic neuron are separated by a fluid, and this fluid filled space is called the synaptic cleft. Okay, and chemicals. Okay, in the chemical synapse, chemicals are there, and these chemicals called the neurotransmitter. What they are known as? They are known as neurotransmitters. Okay, so you can say that synapse. Let's see about the synapse. Electrical signal, okay, travel throughout the nervous system carrying information from one place to the another, and the nervous system is made up of nerve cell or neurons. The neurons have a gap between them, and this is known as synaptic spaces. Okay, at which an electrical signal has to jump across in order to continue. In some electrical machinery, electrical signals jump across tiny gap as a spark. Okay, in our body, an electrical impulse is passed by a chemical signal, and it is known as neurotransmitter. Okay, chemical signals, then this is known as neurotransmitters. Get it? So like one neuron is there. Okay, this is a neuron. Now this is the axon part, and this another, that is the dendrites and एक्सोन. ओके, डायरेक्शन ऑफ इम्पल्सेस इज देयर. डायरेक्शन यही होगा इम्पल्स का, इधर से कहाँ जा रही, इधर जा रही है. तो दूसरे का, सेकंड वाले का डेंड्राइट्स होता है, फर्स्ट वाले का एक्सोन पार्ट. ओके, और जहाँ पर यहीं पर ये क्या है, ये क्या बना हुआ है, सिनेप्टिक क्लेफ्ट, सिनेप्टिक स्पेस है दोनों के बीच में. और उसमें क्या होता है, केमिकल्स, जो केमिकल्स होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, न्यूरो ट्रांसमीटर्स. तो केमिकल्स कॉल्ड द न्यूरो ट्रांसमीटर्स. ओके, एंड द इन्वॉल्व इन द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ impulses at this synapse. Okay, and the axon terminal contain the fluid filled with this neurotransmitter. Okay, so when an impulse can arrive, the axon terminal is stimulate, and the movement of the vesicles towards the membrane where they fuse with the plasma membrane. Okay, get it? And release their neurotransmitter in a synaptic cleft. Okay, they release the neurotransmitter in a synaptic cleft. Okay, and now you can see in the this diagram also. Okay, very well, like this is the axon and dendrite, and the second here also. Okay, एक्सोन इधर डेंड्राइट्स हैं और इसका क्या है, एक्सोन्स है. गेट इट? अब ये देखो, ये क्या है, एक्सोन है वन न्यूरॉन का, सेकेंड न्यूरॉन के क्या होंगे, डेंड्राइट्स. ओके, अब नाउ देखो, दीज आर द वेसिकल्स. क्या है ये, वेसिकल्स हैं विद द न्यूरो ट्रांसमीटर. इनमें क्या फील्ड है, न्यूरो ट्रांसमीटर है. ओके, एंड सेकेंड थिंग, वेसिकल्स फ्यूजेस विद मेम्ब्रेन. ये देखो, फ्यूजेस हो गई मेम्ब्रेन से, एक्सोसाइटोसिस. ओके, रिलीज हो गया न्यूरो ट्रांसमीटर क्या हो जाएगा, रिलीज हो जाएगा। ये न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर क्या हो गया है, रिलीज हो गया है। ओके, रिलीज इनटू द सिनेप्स, सिनेप्स में क्या हो गया है, न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर रिलीज हो गया है। ओके, गेट इट। एंड नंबर 4 पे क्या होगा, न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर डिफ्यूज अक्रॉस सिनेप्स एंड बाइंड विद द रिसेप्टर ऑन द डेंड्राइट्स। यहाँ पे बाइंड हो जाएगा एंड कैल्शियम आयन ऑल्सो, कैल्शियम चैनल है ये। ओके, कैल्शियम चैनल इज देयर एंड द कैल्शियम आयन्स ऑल्सो रिलीज हियर। गेट इट। तो दिस इज द सिनेप्टिक ट्रांसमिशन। क्या है ये, सिनेप्टिक ट्रांसमिशन है। ओके, or like this, the binding open in channel and allowing the entry of ions and generate a new potential in the postsynaptic neuron, and the new potential developed may be either excitatory or inhibitory. Okay, that is the synaptic transmission. Get it? And now next see the central nervous system, CNS. Okay,